I felt very comfortable with ITCS. ITCS provides us with everything, and our seniors are very good. They were like brothers and sisters to us. Like from the beginning, when we landed, from the starting point and till now, it was very comfortable.
Hello Raj, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. How about you?
All good, all good. Raj, you came from Assam.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Northeast.
Yes.
Okay. And I think you will be the first student in this university from the Assam.
Yes, sir.
Okay. But after coming over, have you found any differences, any difficulties, or everything is smooth? How is the overall journey?
Everything I wanted to say is said it all, but I felt very comfortable with ITCS. ITCS provides us with everything, and our seniors are very good. They were like brothers and sisters to us. Like from the beginning, when we landed, from the starting point and till now, it was very comfortable. And still it's very comfortable with all of them.
As you entered into your room, have you got any welcome kit, anything over here?
Yes, of course. We've got one.
Okay, let it be.
Okay. And chocolate, an invitation card, like
Greetings card actually.
greetings card, yeah. They have answered us everything.
Okay. So I can say one point, the Penza is a one place over here. Here, juniors, seniors, there's no differences. They take care for everyone as like their home.
Yes.
Okay. That experience already you got in the last two, three days.
Yes.
Am I right?
Yes.
The same thing will be in the future. And from the ITCS side, I can say whatever the commitments we have given, everything will be with you.
Yes.
Academic parts we cannot help, we cannot support at any point. That's completely up to you. But in non-academic part, whenever you face any challenges, either you can contact me directly or you can connect to the Penza administration over here, as you already have the contact details of different floor wise, hostel wise, university wise, Indian responsible persons numbers and also. Right now?
Yes.
Okay. So enjoy your study over here. As already you have attended one day of classes also, how is the experience of that?
It was very good, sir. Our professor was very good at explaining. Our first class was of anatomy. We are studying osteology right now. And the professor was very good at explaining in detail whatever we wanted to know. He answered all our queries and allowed us to explore the bones ourselves to determine the structure and the different. And we had classes for the language. Teacher also helped us very much, and Russian history also again very interactive class. I'm excited for the future classes.
Okay. And Raj, many best wishes.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Do your best.
Thank you,
Start okay. See till the time, not only over here, but for future also I am with you all.
Thank you,
Okay. Take care of you all and complete your goals. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We'll connect with the further more videos.
Penza State Medical University, conveniently located near Moscow, Russia, combines the advantages of proximity to a major city with a focused academic environment. Since 1999, we've offered an English medium general medicine course, providing comprehensive and accessible education to international students. Experience world-class medical education with cutting-edge facilities and expert faculty. At Penza State University, our top-class simulation center and expert faculty ensure you receive the best education possible. Our top-class simulation center and comprehensive programs offer hands-on training and real-world experience, preparing you for a successful medical career. We boast the highest FMGE passing ratio and provide excellent Next FMG coaching facilities. Join a vibrant community of scholars and professionals, gaining access to groundbreaking research and global medical networks. Established in the 1940s, Penza State Medical University has a rich history and a strong alumni network, including over 1,000 Indian doctors. Immerse yourself in the rich cultural tapestry of Penza, where tradition meets modernity and every day offers a new adventure. Our smart campus offers everything within a secure boundary, including excellent canteen and cafeteria facilities. Graduate with a degree recognized worldwide and embark on a journey that will shape your future in medicine. With world-class education and facilities, your degree from Penza State Medical University will open doors globally. Our Indian mess facility and 24/7 student care ensure you are supported throughout your educational journey. We also prioritize your professional growth through seminars and meetings with industry leaders and academic experts. These sessions are designed to enhance your learning experience, providing you with insights into the latest medical advancements and opportunities to network with global professionals.